How to edit your WordPress theme without coding. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you guys how you can take your WordPress theme from this to an actual proper website without having to code. So let's get into it. Now for this you do need an application and it is called Elementor. You might have already heard of it. And it is available for free. So simply click on your plugins and click on Add New. Once you click on Add New, just search for Elementor over here. And once you have searched for Elementor, this is the application. So it is the Elementor website builder. You're just going to click on Install Now. And once you have clicked on Install Now, you're just going to click on Activate over here. And once the application has been activated, you're going to find it on the left side of your screen. So you can just click on Elementor over here. Now you can begin using Elementor to actually do a drag and drop edit of your WordPress website. So if you open up your site over here, you can click on New, and then you can see you have your basic, this is like your basic WordPress editor or your WordPress builder. But what you want to do is you want to click on your pages over here. And this is your pages section. Once you're in your pages section, or you can even go into Elementor. And before you begin customizing, you can actually apply a theme and then customize the theme instead. So you can go into your templates over here. You can click on Add New. And you can select the type of template you want. So let's say I want a landing page template, and you can create your own templates with Elementor, or you can click on Import Templates and import any template. Now, you might be wondering, hey, I don't know where to get templates. Well, it's very simple. So if you just head on over to elementor.com, you have a bunch of different templates available and ready to go. So for this, you have to just go to Elementor's website, click on Log In, and then you can log in via the same email that you're using to build your WordPress website. So it's Jules and Gems, and you can see Jules and Gems over here. But what I can do over here is I can begin using a template from the WordPress dashboard. So let's say I have this template over here, ceramic decor shop website kit, or whatever type of website you want to create. So let's say I have a laundry and dry cleaning website. So you can click on Start with this kit over here. And it only costs around $99 per year, and you also get a free trial, so you can choose to do that. If you don't want to do that and you just want to edit your WordPress theme, simply go into your pages section, click on your first page. So you will see this is your home page, this is the original page that you have, and you can click on Edit with Elementor. You're not going to click on Edit, you're going to click on Edit with Elementor. And now we're going to begin editing our page. So you can see this is our page currently, and I'm going to remove this section over here, and we're just going to edit some of this. So this is the name of the page, and we can format this later on. But below that here, you're actually going to begin building your page. So let's say I want to build a large image slider first. So for that, you can see on the left side of your screen, you have multiple different widgets that you can choose from. So let's say I'm going to scroll down, and you have a bunch of different options, WooCommerce integrations, as well as basic WordPress pages. So I'm going to go ahead with, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to add a image carousel. So once I've added my image carousel, I can click on this and choose how I want the layout to be. So I can choose my column width, and then you can choose your vertical alignment, how you want everything to be aligned, the width spaces, and the default HTML tag as well. So after that, you can click on your column and begin uploading your images. I'm just using these images that I previously had, and I'm going to click on Insert Gallery, and all three of these have been added. Now, once you have added this, you have the image size. So I want this to be large or even larger, so I can click on this size over here. And you can even click on your default size and how many slides you want to show. So I just want to show one, so one at a time. And then after that, you have our arrows and dots, what you want in your navigation. Let's say I only want arrows. Next up, you have your arrows icon, your link, if you want to link any media file or a custom URL, so you can link to the shop page of your website as well. Then you also have additional options such as lazy load, autoplay, pause on hover, So yeah, I want to do pause on hover, pause on interaction, autoplay speed. Now I'm going to leave this as it is. Next up, I have the position. So if I want it to be inside or outside, then I can choose the size of the navigation buttons. And then I have the size of the image. So let's say I want a solid border or no borders at all. Now, next up, you have advanced settings. So this is the layout of the slider within the actual page of WordPress. So first off, you have your default where it's going to be set however it is placed, but you can choose your margins as well. So if I reduce it like this, I can, move the image up or down. So let's say I want it to be on the top corner. For that, I can just move this up. And this is a little too high, but I'm just going to move it down a little. So then you can also enter padding if you want. That is totally up to you. I'm just going to leave this at 0. Padding is also another way for you to center or realign your images. I'm going to give it a little bit of padding from the top, like so. And then you have your default width if you want full width, if you want a vertical alignment, so on and so forth. Then you also have some motion effects and other things you can add. Now I'm just going to click on update over here. And now our little image carousel has been added. Now below that, we can go on ahead, go into our site settings, and you can apply site-wide changes via Elementor as well. So you can apply global fonts, how all the fonts should look like, how everything should look like. Now below that, let's say I want to build a text section or a video link. I can just drag and drop this, or maybe I want to add my featured products or featured articles, anything like that. So for that, you can scroll down and you actually have a simple image box. So you can insert a image box, and if you want to insert multiple, you can click on your column, drag and drop this. So we're just going to format this. And you can see if I click on my pages, I can insert, any kind of template I want. But let's say I want to use a basic template like this one. So this one is available for free. You can click on apply and apply this to your entire page if you want to do that. So I usually like to build home pages on my own, and then you can exit your home page. So I'm just going to go back into my WordPress builder, and I'm going to show you guys a template page. So for that, I'm going to click on add new. I'm going to create a new page, click on edit with Elementor. And choosing this little widget over here, you can see you have my templates, any pre-existing templates you have built, and then you have your template library. So I'm going to insert this one over here. So it's taking a couple of minutes to load our template, but you can see the template has now been loaded as it was, and you can click on publish over here. Then once you have published this, you're going to change the name of your page. So we are going to go back into our WordPress dashboard. So I'm just going to exit this. Now I'm going to go into this section, and I can just click on edit or quick edit. And then you're going to change the name of your page. So whatever you want to name it, you're going to name this, and then you can add a default template, Elementor canvas, and how you want this page to be. So if it's a main page or the home page, or it has, a parent page, so on and so forth. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.